That satisfying pop when you crack your knuckles. Are you actually destroying your joints? Here's the shocking truth your doctor probably won't tell you. Every single time you pull your fingers like this, you're creating tiny gas bubbles in your joint fluid that burst with that addictive sound. But what happens when you do this hundreds of times a day? Well, scientists tracked habitual knuckle crackers for decades, and what they found is incredible. Contrary to what your parents might have told you, constant knuckle cracking does not cause arthritis or permanent damage. Phew. However, it can weaken your grip strength over time and sometimes cause joint swelling. The real hidden danger? You might develop thicker knuckles and reduced hand flexibility. Your joints become looser, making that crack easier, but potentially less stable. So while you probably won't get arthritis, your hands might pay a different price for that daily habit. Thanks for watching.